McDonald's AI ad. Let's check it out.
It's the most terrible time of the year. All the shops turn to mayhem, even Santa knows space, and the tree redecorated your place. It's the
This is wild. I wonder if they actually had AI write all of the copy. I also, I like the holidays. Why are we correlating McDonald's with a negative feeling? I don't know. Psychologically, that makes sense.
most terrible time of the year. The roast turned to charcoal, and the cookies burn too. Freaking chaos, it feels like a zoo. It's the
Yo, by the way, how many jobs were displaced by this? In the past, you needed actors, you needed directors, you needed lighting, audio, you need the copywriter, you need the stage runner, you need all these different positions to fill these ads. Now you need a guy in his basement. Like, honestly, a guy in his basement could do, if you gave me a few hours, I could do this. And I'm not even necessarily an expert with AI generated video. I play with AI generated video. I've got a few channels I do AI generated video for, but like this, historically running an ad like this probably would have cost several $1 million at least and days. Now you could do something like this in 2 minutes. People don't get it. People don't understand what's possible right now.
most terrible time of the year. So you flee from the madness, the lights, and the cheer, and hide out in McDonald's till January's here. It's the
Pretty wild. Pretty wild. I mean, I got to say, I don't think I've ever seen a video quite like this. And again, this is not really, I don't love it. I don't feel like there's a soul to it. I also don't understand the correlation of a bad feeling with the company brand. I don't love that. But you got to say, 4 fingers and a thumb. Like, it looks real. I'm just going to replay it here, but look how real a lot of this looks like. Obviously, this is AI generated, but what's crazy is you can use a tool like Google's VO3 or even Sora, and you can create video like this in seconds. I don't think people fully understand what's happened. Let's look at some of the comments here on X on this video. Let's look at what some of the people are saying. People just want to get upset over everything. You can tell it's AI, but it also still made me laugh. Okay. AI didn't make this film. We did. Yeah. So listen to this. McDonald's released an AI generated Christmas ad, and the studio behind it says they, quote, hardly slept for several weeks while writing AI prompts and refining the shots. AI didn't make this film. We did. I call BS on that. And by the way, I think that AI video is going to be huge. You are going to see full-length feature films with AI video. And think about how far AI video has come, guys, in just a few years. I'm actually, let's pull this up. There was a post I saw on X. Let me see if I can't find it, where Will Smith, had this AI generated video in the past, and now there's a new AI generated video. Let's see if we can pull that up. But I got to call BS. They did not take several weeks to do this. To me, this is a contractor that was hired out, created the video in a couple days, maybe in a couple hours, and then posted it. I don't buy it. Let me show you again. I don't think people fully realize how far AI video has come. And all the people out there who say that AI is fake and it's not real, I don't think they fully understand what's happened. Let me pull up that Will Smith video. But actually, before I do that, I want to show you something here, because the McDonald's social media game is absolutely insane. I wasn't aware how crazy their social game is. Let me bring up McDonald's on X. So first of all, it's a weird like picture of the Grinch. It says translated from Indonesian. What does that even mean? This is their official X.com account. It says bada ba 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 blah 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 blah. That is so weird. It's so weird. They got the Grinch meal. How to Dream Grimace was an animatronic. Can I have a McNugget, bro? I got a 4-piece. Like, I don't know if this is genius or retarded. And I mean, I guess it's the internet. So honestly, guys, I think at this point, the internet has pretty much made us all retarded, but I guess we're allowed to say that now. I don't know. I don't really care. But POV, you ask me for a pen. Sorry if this is rage. It's just so strange. The internet is so weird. And McDonald's, I don't know if it's genius or retarded. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me see if I can't find this Will Smith AI video. All right, so here on the left, we have a video of Will Smith eating spaghetti that was generated in 2023. And then here on the right, this one was just recently created. And I don't think people fully appreciate or understand how far and how fast AI is coming. AI generated video is insane. Actually, I'll put a link to it up here. We recorded a video about how Netflix, a major Netflix film, used AI to generate some really seriously impressive CGI effects. This is only going to get better. The implications are insane. The jobs that will be lost, the new jobs that will be created. And one of the things that I think is exciting is everyday dudes like you and me can actually create really, really high quality video. I think it's very impressive. But at any rate, let's watch this video so you can see how far things have come. This looks real. I mean, you can kind of tell it's AI, but it looks like, look on the left. The left looks insane. On the right, left versus right. Look at that. I guarantee you, if you showed this to your mother on the right, she'd say, oh, that's Will Smith eating spaghetti. That is how far things have come. I don't think people fully appreciate this or understand it. And I don't know. I think it's exciting, but I think it's scary at the same time. Regardless, what McDonald's did with this AI generated video is pretty groundbreaking, I think, and revolutionary in a lot of ways. I think you're going to see a lot more companies do it. Actually, let's bring up an AI generated video from Coca Cola, because Coca Cola has been creating this. Let's see if we can pull one of them up. Okay, so here's an AI generated video from Coca Cola. They've been creating these AI generated videos for the last couple of years. This is this year's version. Let's check it out. That is pretty impressive, I think. So you got a couple otters. This is crazy. This looks very I mean, it doesn't look real, but because you've got like these animals drinking Coca-Cola, but the CGI is impressive. Like, you know, if you went back 15 years ago, something like this would have cost tens of millions of dollars, insane amounts of time. Now you can do this stuff, guys, in a very, I mean, it does not take that long. Granted, if you played with AI video, it can be pretty funky, but this is just so crazy. And again, I don't think that, listen, for something like this, like for that McDonald's ad, I could do something like that. For something like this, I think this is going to take more time, more energy. This is going to be a whole new career when it comes to AI video prompt engineering. I believe that AI video is going to be, especially for ads, a new profession. It's going to be a new profession. And what used to take an entire huge, large staff, now only a couple people put together are going to be able to create it. Look at the lighting. Look how impressive this lighting is. You've got like the blurred lighting. Look at the hair, the eyes. Like, this is, to me, unbelievable what's possible. When people say that AI is not going to replace jobs, or it's not going to replace jobs, or it's going to take a long time. And when I see something like this, I just say every job is going to be displaced. That's what I see. What do you see? That's what I see. Yeah, you get the picture. I mean, it's just crazy how far AI video has come. You see Coca Cola, McDonald's. I mean, I would guess by the end of next year, every company is doing AI generated ads. Every company. And, you know, one of the things I think is interesting here is this Coca Cola ad is a little bit more classy. It's a little more classical. It's happy. I actually like this ad a lot. I actually like this ad a lot. I don't like the McDonald's ad. It looks cheap and fake. It's got a negative connotation, but McDonald's is kind of like is playing pretty lit. And I think that the reality is that most guys, most people out there are not like you and me. We're not like invested. We're not learning this stuff. We're not really paying attention. We just want to like it's like AI slop is a perfect fix to the sloppy world that most people are living in. They're not paying attention. So anyway, what do you think about these videos? AI generate video, thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know. If you're new here to the channel, my name is Mark Savant, and I post fresh videos 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, all about AI, guys, because AI is going to change your life and my life. And smash the subscribe button. Check out the newsletter, link below, and I'll see you in the next video, boys. See ya. Peace.